What if every employee could be an AI that sells, supports, and books? Meet AI bot employees trained on your business to work 24/7. Create, train, and customize in minutes using your files, URLs, and Notion. Pick done-for-you templates for sales, support, lead gen, and bookings. Give them a name, a voice, and a face with talking video agents. Embed everywhere: website, WhatsApp, Telegram, and scale instantly. Start by uploading documents or past conversations to teach your AI. Or paste URLs and sync Notion workspaces in one click. Watch AI learn instantly as the UI shows sources, highlights, and confidence. Fine-tune responses, set personality, and adjust escalation rules without coding. Choose templates for appointment booking, lead qualification, sales outreach, and support. Preview talking video agents and train their scripts with real business data. Deploy on your website with a snippet. Setup takes seconds. Plug into WhatsApp and Telegram to meet customers where they already are. Inline booking widgets schedule appointments and sync with your calendar automatically. Switch to a human agent in one click with seamless conversation handover. Track leads, response times, and conversion rates from the dashboard. Security and privacy controls keep customer data safe and compliant. Turn website visitors into qualified leads with intelligent qualification flows. Automate repetitive support so your team focuses on high-value work. Book more appointments with natural dialogues and calendar-aware logic. Use AI agents for sales outreach, demos, and real-time negotiation assistance. Plus, unlock 20+ AI tools, page builder, graphics, voice cloning, and more. Everything bundled so you create landing pages, content, and campaigns faster. Scale sales, support, lead gen, and bookings with one platform. Start today and get immediate access to all 20+ AI tools. Hit the link below to try for free now.